Anyway. Boy, team is a good night. Boy, I must wonder how I come and salute. I just there, I'm saying I come all a vibe with my girl. Let me see it. Yeah, I know I go to work already. I light up the spirit of more some juice. That's it. Just a cliche in the darkness. Good night. You know the code already, my ladies. My sister, them must have cussed me, man. My HR, them must have cussed me. Yeah. Yes, watch out. Yesterday. Jaja, remember for buy weed for me. You know how I want. Power Tap Live. Good night, my ladies. Boy, it's a beautiful night. I have to agree. I have to admit. Yes, what I say. Sometimes we left them in idea with the shenanigans of forward. And we can just hold a vibe with the ladies them in a night. You see what I say? I know most of the ladies them are going to cuss me. Me a work a morning her. But me HR them, they put my case cause boy. Then call me and give me a piece of dose of cussing and say, why aren't you not on live? I say, alright. And then my wife call and say, you not got your work. I say, babes, alright. I never had a plan for but watch you know. We there are normal out same way. Here's what I say. I beg some of my ladies them some Power Tap there in our live. If you can repost your live, I beg you to repost your live for me and share up your live. Here's what I say. Share up your life for me, please and thanks, my ladies. Yeah, please. Team, listen to me. I give my girl, I reason, we don't know. Here's what I say. I always telling her, say, you see a man go off where him see what he's attracted to. Here's what I say. And me need to tell you. You see the ladies them we are deceive the man them. Me I beg you please for stop. Because you know say I meet a girl in a taboo. About 2-3 years back. Sitting. Me not lie. Everything about the girl is a nice girl. Me I tell you the truth, is a nice girl. So me see her and you know I look her and thing and me and her exchange number and we talk and them little thing there. You see it? You know say a girl video call me one day and I said she there was boring. In there was boring and she want all a vibe and you know go on easy back and then sitting there. So me I say alright then. No problem. Stay so boom and I carry her out and sit in people. Carry up a Devon house and me and her go eat ice cream and me and her sit down there and them look a thing there. You see it? And it's like a girl reasonability. She just hold on there. Give me a pause there, people. But we get back to his story. What's happening, bro?
If it isn't the guy that I beat yesterday. Hey, man. Welcome back to reality. Welcome back to the real opponents. How you doing, man?
Nice hat, bro.
Thank you, man. I'm a country Russian today. I'm a country Russian today.
So you're telling me that you came to do the same thing tonight again?
Yes, I came to maintain my crown. I came to maintain it. Hey, Mina. First to three, like we did last night. First to three wins. Hey, Paula. That's good.
But I
Rose. I would
just
love
came
that.
on.
That's
So
okay.
if you win the first game, because you disrespected my ladies yesterday, say they're broke.
I didn't
You
say
know?
that.
What
I
you
don't-
said? What you said about them? But
I said-
if
I said-
you disrespect me and said even if I got a team,
Listen,
Yes.
whatever I said is all facts. So that's all I'm going to say. Whatever I said, it was all facts, but I didn't say they're broke. I just said it's not enough for me. That's what I said. Because, it's not enough for me. Maybe it's enough for other people. It's cute. Anyways, let me know when you're ready. You want to take your time?
you're the one that want to play. That you want to prove something. So I'm gonna show you that what you're gonna prove tonight. I'm gonna shut you up.
No, you have to prove something. I already proved myself last night. It's your turn to prove yourself today. I already proved myself. Right now, I'm the king. You're trying to steal my crown. You came to steal it. Guys, can we share the live real quick, please?
Repost and share if you like the chat.
Guys, who's got a gloves in here? Who's got gloves? Let me know in the comments. Yes, Aliyah. Guys, listen, we've done so much today. A lot of people not here right now.
Repost and share.
I really hope that we got some people in here, bro. Like, I hope that some people come in. Repost and share the live right now, please. And we got no gloves too. So
Repost and share if you like for me, please.
thank you, Em. I hope so too. Everybody comment game one. Everybody comment game one right now, team. Monica, welcome in. Last night, guys, were you guys here last night? Were you guys here last night for the series? This series was insane last night. Who was here to see it? Comment me if you were here last night. Anybody was here last night to see it? It was the first to three. It came down to 3-2. We won 3-2. It went all the way to the last game. All right, here we go. Here we go. Everybody tap.
Next to you.
Game one. Everybody tap. Get your 3 points, guys. Wait. You want to resend the game so we get the speed? You want to resend it?
Okay.
Hold on. Hold gifts. Let them resend it so we can get the speed. You got to send it.
What? Tell him to add me back. Sorry, team. That was a mistake.
You didn't have to leave, Grandpa. You could have just sent the game.
That's a mistake, you moron.
Bro left. Right. Here we go. Okay, now we have speed. Team.
Okay.
Here we go. First gift.
Right,
times
lock
2.
it,
First
lock
gift.
it, lock it.
Tap my
First
screen.
gift times 2.
Tap my screen. One gift double. One gift double, guys. Play aggressive. If you have
Anything we have.
right now, one gift.
Make with
If you have anything, one gift right now. Times 2.
Make a chalk out that brother, your queen. Thank you so much.
Guys. This is the first
Use
to
a
three.
double, use a
It's
double
good
money, G.
series.
Thank you so
We
much.
did this last night.
Use a
Okay,
double,
Lulu,
use a
drop a
double,
glove
use a
last
double.
30 seconds of
Chalk
the game.
him
At the
out,
very
up,
end, Lulu,
thank you
please.
so much.
Make sure we're
chalk
tapping.
him out, please, and thanks.
Make sure we're tapping, guys. First gift double. Mina, let's go, Mina.
Kelly Smith, thank you
Welcome
so
back,
much.
Mina. We got a
Chalk
5-win
him
streak,
out,
by the way. Come on. Everybody comment. 5 wins. 5 wins, y'all. 5 wins. These are going to be good games if we show up.
Use a double.
Okay. Fuck. Victoria, thank you.
Thank you, my team. Come on, let's do it. Team, we are begging us some power tap. We are begging us some repost. We are begging us some...
LRKN. Lurkin and Jerkin. What a name. That's a crazy name. Lurkin and Jerkin, welcome in. That's crazy. Speed. What the fuck? That's an insane name, bro. Get the speed, y'all. Bro is proud of it, too. Here we go. Speed. 4 people, 1 rose.
Team, one rose, the team. Please answer. All right, then, team.
That's
4
4
rose.
people, 1 rose. 4 people. Guys, it's a quick
Yeah,
speed.
big
1
round
rose,
gloves
1
for
rose.
that double there. 1 gloves for this double. 1 gloves
It
for
does,
this double.
Mandy. You're right.
One gloves on the double team. Over glove, my ladies.
Okay, 50 seconds double. We go now. We have a glove last 30, but push now. Get us closer. Guys, get us closer so we can snipe at the end.
Big up, you know.
Get us closer so we can snipe at the end. Get us closer. Get us closer now. Roses, finger hearts, money guns. Cindy Lou, welcome in. Come on. Let's go, yo. Please get closer. Get closer. We're at a disadvantage right now. We're not pushing speed. We have to at least get closer so we can snipe it. Right now, we're not getting closer.
Thank you so much.
Mina, Victoria.
Go, my team. Go.
Oh gosh, we gotta share a lot out. We gotta share a lot out then.
Him can snipe.
Gotta repost and share.
Given moment.
We gotta repost and share.
Can't snipe it that every given. Snipe this, snipe the double. Snipe the double. Mickey Boo, thank you so much. Snipe the double. Queen. Holy Palovino. Queen.
Hey Julie. Hey Paris. Is anybody able to snipe? Is there anybody that could snipe? We have a glove last 30. Is there anybody who could actually snipe? Lulu got a glove.
What up, live? What up, live?
Guys, Lulu got a glove. We wait. Thank you, Paris. Thank you.
Whoever clubs team locked in.
If you guys can send a heart me right now, everybody send one heart me, please.
Whoever clubs my team. Whoever clubs.
Send one heart me. What up, Bart?
Whoever clubs.
It's a first to 3 wins. This is our first game.
Whoever club my team.
We did this last night. We won. Can we do that again? We had so much teamwork last night.
Queen. Thank you, though.
We had so much teamwork.
The Queen here drop a glove.
Let's have that same energy as last night.
Use it, team. Use it.
Do that together.
Use the glove.
Comment blue hearts. Spam blue hearts.
Marshall, thank you so much. Use the gloves. Click on the glove.
Give me some energy, please. It literally, guys, it's one motorcycle on the glove. One 5K gift, it's 25K. You know what I mean? Like we could snipe 5K on the glove. We could snipe 4K on the glove. We can snipe 7K, 6K.
We are big on it in 30 seconds.
Galaxy, you know, one whale is 10,000, you know what I mean?
Thank you so much.
We can snipe it.
Wales have a globe, team. Wales have a globe. You want me to big up to you now?
I hope we can pull this off.
You have two. Drop it tonight.
Here we go. Glove right now. Glove right now.
Drop one now. One of them.
Lulu? Okay, here we go. Everyone on a glove. One motorcycle. It's 15K.
Right,
one meteor shower. One whale, guys. Mina, dang it. Mina, help Mina. Somebody help Mina. Fuck. Somebody help Mina. Paris. Nice. One more. Lulu.
Thank you so much, Snipes.
No way that didn't hit. No way.
Snipes.
No way nothing hit.
Paris,
no way.
Snipes.
Nothing hit.
That is it in a Queen. Thank you so much.
Not one thing.
Thank you,
Hi, Batty.
Shirley,
not
mommy.
One thing hit. It's okay. Lulu, thank you so much. Good try. We got unlucky.
It's one down.
Unlucky. Mina MVP, Lulu MVP.
One down. Florida girl, thank you so much. Kelly Smith.
Mina MVP. Lulu MVP. Paris, thank you.
Thank you
Take
so
a couple
much.
seconds, share. Appreciate you for trying,
Jessica,
Lulu. You've been
thank you
amazing.
so much.
1-0.
I appreciate you, my team.
1-0 team. Everybody share.
Kelly Smith, you
Everybody
get a
comment, share.
Sheila, you get a miss.
If you guys could share, that would be amazing. This is probably going to be my last series of the night, team.
We need a miss
Game 2. Everyone comment Game 2.
Here, Sheila, please.
Game 2. I know, we lost our streak too. We lost the first game the same way last night. Same thing happened last night. And we came back stronger the second game. Can we do that again?
This is like
instead of trying to snipe on the glove, Hamza, throw it last 30, Hamza. Instead of trying to snipe at the end, when the speed starts in the beginning, we have to throw. Okay, Stephanie, throw glove last 30, Stephanie. Thank you, Stephanie. When the first gift triple starts, we have to throw the biggest gift in the beginning instead of trying to hold for glove. Don't worry about the glove. Just play smart. Play the triples. Okay? Can everybody recharge? TikTok.com/coin. Thank you, Steph. Thank you so much. Comment yes if you're ready, team. Comment yes if you're ready.
it live, repost it live, repost it live,
Who's ready?
repost it live.
Hi, Liddy.
Repost it
Liddy
live,
3
repost it
Titty.
live.
We lost the first game. It's
Repost it
1-0.
live,
Who's ready?
repost it live.
Come at me if you got
Yeah.
something for next game.
We are the
Who's got
first
something
triple.
for next game?
We are wrecking.
Can I get 10 bubbles?
For the first triple. And
Ali-san, welcome.
active here. One gift we can send for the
Bubbles is
first
the most.
triple, my ladies.
Whether you're throwing a
One
Rose,
gift.
Money
I
Gun,
just
a Galaxy,
we
it
can
does
send
not
the
matter.
biggest gift we have for the
Paris
first
is going to
game.
play next game.
If
Who
we not
else?
just wait for the next
Who can lock in
send
with her?
me our baby
can lock
kid
in
just
with
send
her?
me on the first speed, my team. We will break them courage from early. Ready, my team. Send the match, bro. You send the match, bro.
Guys, come on. This is our prime time. This is where the night owls come in. Okay, here we go. Everybody tap the screen for 3 seconds. You get 3 points. Get your 3 points. Here we go.
Tap up the screen. Tap up the screen.
Tap, 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 tap,
Alright,
tap, tap.
first triple,
First gift triple.
get-
This is the most
you will
important
get
part of
the
the game.
triple.
This is
Team
better than
set.
glove.
Watch out.
You go
This-
big
this
here, we
half
win.
a
Does
catch,
that make
team.
sense? If
Use
we
that
go
triple
big
action.
here, we win the game.
Go big,
5K,
go
10K,
big, go
3K,
big.
World Cup,
Money
welcome in.
Thank you. Anything we have, just drop right.
Triple!
Anything we have, just drop here, so. Anything we have, we drop it right here, so my team.
Triple!
Nads, thank you so much,
Lady!
mommy. Go,
Times
my
three,
team.
times
Go, my
three.
team.
Come on,
Tracy,
times
thank
three.
you so much. Go, my ladies, go, my ladies, go, my ladies, go,
Lulu.
my ladies. Kelly Smith! Thank you so much. Go, my team. Make we break him courage from early. Man, the whole heap of love. Can't be gonna big snipe, my ladies. One big snipe. Early, thank you, mommy. One big snipe, team. One big snipe. One big snipe, Nini B. Thank you. E.T. Thank you.
Paris, thank you. Lulu, thank you.
Thank you so much. It's like taking candy from a baby, Chad. We told you this. Man Lifeline, thank you. Florida girl, thank you so much. Whole heap of love on my team. Oh God, man, appreciate
Whoa,
it.
guys. I don't know. Does anybody have a glove? What do we have? We just need one person to really pop out. We need either one person to pop out. Paris, you got a glove? Paris, wait, did I? Oh yeah, Paris, you do glove on speed, Paris. Please do glove on speed, Paris. Ashley, you do glove on last 30. Yeah. 200, guys. You never know who joins. Remember, this is the time when people come in. Usually, this is the time. It's 9 p.m.
Just thank you so
12
much.
Eastern time. You know what I mean?
Just
Everyone
one-
share. We're not even, guys,
Oh,
200 points. Just get the
Man
speed at
Lifeline,
least.
thank you.
Paris, boom. Thank you, Paris. Dawn,
Alright,
thank you.
yeah.
Wake up, guys. Wake up. Hamza, thank you.
Drop a gloves, drop a
60
glove.
seconds.
Drop
Times
a
2.
glove, span it up. One club, span it up.
Wait
One
for glove.
gloves.
Wait for glove.
One
Wait,
gloves.
Hold,
Queen,
hold,
drop the
wait
gloves
for
we have
glove, wait
span
for
it up.
glove. Click the heart me right now if you haven't.
Wait for the glove.
Wait for glove.
Wait for the
Guys,
gloves.
one
Wait for the
person
gloves.
can
Wait
come
for the
in.
gloves.
2
Wait
people
for the
can come
gloves,
in and
wait for the
change this
gloves,
whole
wait for the
thing
gloves.
around. It could take
Alright,
1 or
that
2
is
people
it.
to
Go,
turn this whole
go,
thing
go,
around.
Go. Gloves and
Okay,
double.
now.
gloves and double,
We're gonna
gloves
do
and
glove and
double,
we're gonna go.
gloves
We're
and
gonna do
double.
glove and we're gonna go.
Gloves and double, gloves and double, gloves and double.
Okay,
gloves and double,
everybody on
gloves
that
and double.
glove.
Gloves
Go
and
right
double,
now.
gloves and double, gloves and
1K,
double, gloves
2K,
and double.
3K,
Gloves and
500.
double, gloves and
On the
double,
glove,
gloves and double, gloves and double,
right now.
gloves and double.
1K,
Team, man
2K, it's a
Lifeline, thank
guaranteed
you.
times 2.
Gloves and
Win
double,
right
team.
now.
Gloves and double, gloves and double,
Lulu!
gloves and double. Gloves
We
and
gotta
double,
go bigger
gloves
than
and
that. We gotta
double,
go
my
bigger
team
than that.
such, thank you. Gloves and double, Kelly Smith, thank you so much. Gloves and double,
Paris.
Queen, thank you. Use a double, use a double, use
Thank
a
you,
double.
Paris.
Use
Can
a
we go
double,
bigger
Queen,
as a
thank
team?
you. This is a baby, Chad. This is a baby. I pet this nigga to sleep. It's a baby. I pet this cowboy Russian to sleep. It's a baby. You can't play with me. The real king is here. Read what they say. Read what they say, bro.
What does it say? Bossy?
Okay. One bossy. So when the boss is in the chat, bro, you mute. You can't compare me with those little ass score. The boss is in the chat. You mute, bro.
You won 1 game. It's okay. You won 1 game.
If you want me to say it, I'm gonna say it. Your people are broke.
Wow. You really talking to like you got a mouth today, huh? You're messing with the wrong people. I'm telling you, you're messing
People
with the
are
wrong
mad
people.
broke.
That's crazy.
They have you on 6,000 points on the first triple? I'm sorry, man. Tell them they need to work harder and get their money up. Alright? Tell them they need to work harder and get their money up. This is one boss in the chat. The real king is here, bro. So you gotta chill out.
Snipe. Don't listen to that. Glove right now. Glove right now. We could still snipe. We could still snipe. Glove, glove, glove. You never know. Maybe we have a snipe. Maybe we have a snipe. 10K, 10K, 5K. Whatever we got. Everybody snipe. Humble him, guys, if we can. 10K gift hits at 50K.
Snipe.
Snipe. He's not getting anything. He's not getting anything. He's definitely not getting anything. Steph! He's not getting anything.
Snipe, thank you.
He has 50K. He has like 50K. He has like 50K. Snipe to win. Oh my God, bro. He didn't even get anything. He didn't even get anything, guys.
Dennis Smith.
Harris, thank you. Danielle, thank you. Tony, thank you. Stephanie, thank you. Dawn. Guys, let's communicate. Come on, let's not lose 3-0. That's crazy. Can everybody recharge and share right now, please? Everybody share. Guys, repost and share. Who's got 1 rose or bigger next game? Comment me. Hey, Gene, who could recharge something? Come on, guys. We're way better than this. Come on. Recharge, share. We lost 2 games. Who could play next game, guys? It's our last chance here. Gene, thank you. It's our last game if we lose. Okay, Tiff, thank you so much, Tiff. Is there anybody else that can log in? Who else can recharge something? Lady C, thank you for the heart meet, guys. Everyone sent a heart meet.
Both up alive.
Guys, no one's even commenting anything. Except for the same 3 people.
Both up alive. Team, wrap up the last game, man.
All right, guys. I guess this is the end of the night.
Yeah,
it's
wrap
okay.
up the last game.
All right.
Yeah, wrap up the last game. All right, lock team. Hold up, bro. Hold up.
We lost 2 games, team. It's first to 3.
Hold up, bro.
Judy B, welcome in.
Hold on.
Just one.
Bro, let me send the match. Let me send the match. Hold up, bro. Hold up.
What happened? Why'd you end it?
It's doubles. Let's just try to get a triple.
Okay, guys. Wait. Hold on. Okay. Triple.
Okay.
Guys, right now, this is even better. One gift triple.
Go triple.
Tap the screen. Don't give up, y'all.
Go team. The biggest gift we have. Make a lock that game, your team. Money G, thank you. Make a lock that game, your team. Marshilla, thank you. Make a lock that game. Go, my team. Go, thank you, Deborah. Team, the biggest gift we have. Go wrap up that game, your team. Odette, thank you. Snipe big pan the triple, my team. Hilly Smith, thank you. Snipe big pan the triple. Tracy, thank you so much. Snipe big pan the triple. Make a wrap up that game, my team. Mandy Wally Palop in a snipe big pan the triple. Snipe big pan the triple. Not Wally Palop in a snipe big pan the triple, my team. Snipe big. Roxy!
Thank you, Paris. Thank you so much. Guys, I know he's putting up points, but us giving up like this is crazy. We don't usually give up 3 games in a row. You know what I mean? We don't usually do that. It's another triple. We don't usually play like this.
All right, it's another triple.
Something usually comes out of it. Something usually happens where, we start playing eventually. What's up, Landon? There's no way we get swept like this. No shot, bro. No shot.
Thank you, Juice. Florida girl, thank you. It's another triple.
Paris, thank you.
It's another
no
triple.
Shot we give up like that. Is there anybody else that has anything on the speed? Nothing, Landon. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. What's up, John? Welcome in. Zaid's mom. Thank you, Zaid. Zaid's mom. Thank you so much. Here we go. Speed. Triples, guys. It's triples. We could still play to win. We still can. Guys, we have so many people in here. If everyone sends one galaxy, we win. Zaid's mom. Triple, guys. Triple.
Go, my team. Go, my team.
40 seconds.
Thank you so much. Go on the triple.
Does anybody have anything? Triple, Paris. Amanda. Zaid's mom.
Go on the triple. Kelly Smith, thank you so much. Go up on the triple, go up on the triple, go up on the triple stash. Whole heap of love in a stash. Go up on the triple, snipe it triple, snipe it triple. Lick you whole heap of love in a snipe.
Zaid's mom!
Snipe it triple.
Triple, guys!
Snipe it triple, snipe it triple, my team. Snipe it triple, my team. Snipe it triple, snipe it triple. Snipe it triple, snipe it triple, snipe it triple. Snipe it triple, snipe it triple, snipe it triple. Snipe, Sash, whole heap of love in a sash. Snipe, me team, snipe. Marshila, thank you so much.
Who has a glove last turn?
Thank you, my team. Thank you so much. Odette! Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more.
What you say?
Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more.
I see, I got you, Landon. I got you.
Don't you come back no more.
Oh woman, don't treat me so mean. You're the meanest old woman that I've ever seen. I guess if you say so, I'll have to pack my things and go.
That's right, hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
What you say?
Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
Just away, but I'll be back on my feet someday.
Don't care if you do, cause it's understood. You ain't got no money, you just ain't no good.
Well, I guess if you say so, I'll have to pack my things and go.
That's right, hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. That's one out, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
What you say?
Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more.
Yeah.
Don't you come back no more.
What you say?
Don't you come back no more.
I didn't understand.
Don't you come back no more.
MVP Paris and Zaid's mom. MVP Paris and Zaid's mom. Thank you guys so much.
Yeah.
Zaid's mom, welcome to the
Well
team. Tiff,
done.
thank you. Doriel.
And
Everybody tapping, sharing, commenting. Thank you guys.
that was.
Thank you all so much. It's okay. Thank you
Thank you
guys.
so much, my ladies. That was great. Kelly, Marshila, Moni G, Odetta, Mandy, Tracy, Nads, Man Lifeline, Deborah, and Florida Girl. I really appreciate you, Team Foxy Roxy. Thank you. So you see who's the king? You see who's the real king now, bro?
We're even now. We're both even.
I don't think so, bro. The yesterday match wasn't like this. Like, I don't think so, bro. So I have the title now. So tomorrow,
I'll take it back tomorrow. No problem.
you can try. You can try.
You know tomorrow's gonna be different. It's Friday. It's gonna be
Okay,
different.
bro. I got you. Bless up.
All right, much love, bro. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.
Okay, bro.
Peace.
Woo! Boy, chatting on come from planet Earth. Me just come here. I don't know if I got do people in it like that. When you not come from planet Earth? When you not come from planet Earth, me team? You really not come from planet Earth, but when me just say two no there, you know, team. I gotta do story time, you know. We are big little, we are big little push, me team. We're going to go small push. What up your life, my team? Hit the road, Jack. Don't you come back no more, no more. But when I just say to them, I'm going to raise with my people. That's what I say. When I just say to my people, I say, yo, it's a thing where we attracted so much to where we see it's crazy. You see it, we hide it, we lead, we astray. You see it. Anyways, now my people, I stay so boom. And after I meet the girl at the party and everything, and you know, me and her stay so boom, I would there never know, and me and the girl have such a good conversation. We there, we eat, we talk. That ice cream we eat and we talk, and you know I like our vibes and things. So me I say, alright then. I say, alright then. We eat it off back at my place. She say, fine, no problem. Team, so I stay so boom and me carry the girl go up on my hands and thing, and my daddy and me and her daddy and Netflix and a chill and thing, and till you don't know, me as a man, me I say, I jazz, me want get pum pum, me want a pum pum, me a defend. So I stay so boom and me reach over and start hug her up and thing, and she hug me up back, and I start kiss her up and kiss up her neck and them little thing there and kiss up her face, and I don't know, I just say mama go so boom and reach down for my thing, and it's like mama say my thing stay so boom and ready and heavy. Who know me? Know say me is a nibbler. Yes, what me I say? Who know me? Know say, yo, watch you know. Akeem love nibble palm breast. You see it? The whole like girl them will ever date me know that. But sit down and suck all your breast the whole day. You know? Me sit down and I bite off your breast and I watch TV. You know? That's what I'm telling you. And then you know. Yeah man. All rose breast me just taste some mama and catch in my mouth and suck her breast them and I watch all FIFA. So me love titty. I stop suck my mother titty when me about 9. And if she did ever allow me up, I suck it till me about 13. I love titty man, me a titty man. Yes what me I say? It breast them, yeah, me love need and nibble on them. So anyways now team, I stay so boom and I stay so boom now, and my daddy and me I rub down her leg and thing, and she have more like one overall dress. I don't know what them dressed in, but it's like yeah so close. It's like it close right here so, and it flare go right down. Yes what I say, so it just look like a straight dress, but it stop before it reach her knee, right? Or tie them place there. You see it? Nice little empress and thing. So it's like she tell me something for pull it from the back, cause you have to zip it down, cause they run from her neck. She said me for zip it down. I'm gonna zip it down and take off her clothes. So me I go nibble upon the breast them. Channel. Chad, could you believe me, say? I'm wanting to hear me out. No, I don't know nothing for laugh about. That's what I say. Cause I love woman in all shape and sizes, so I don't know nothing for laugh about. That's what I say. You know when me take off mama dress. I know when me take off mama dress and stay, so and I say alright then. Me I go get to work and start nibble upon them titties, yeah. I want titty mama have, you know. One titty. No. No, Joe, I'm serious. Look on my face good. No, I can't do not laugh in my comments. Serious thing. Look on my face good. I'm serious like a judge. My time when me fi shine. That's what I say, because I say, I prove to this girl, I say, I want to make you nibble pan blood clot breast. I want titty more have. One. One no more titty. When I take off the dress, I say, blood clot. And it's like she stays up, woman. She left on with her one hand and it's like, me stop. And my boy dead and me I look on her, it's like, she mats the mats see me. And mama in a honey mood. My mood dead, moms. My yeah. Like, me need some explanation right there, so. Reason with me and tell me what go on. Like, not just getting at this, not just. And then she have the audacity. It's like she want to take my next and put over here, so. When you so look like almost one navel. When he cut off, it look like one navel. So it's like when she goes so and she realize, because she do it on the hand and him get in her mood and he suck off on her finger them. And he stays and take me and for put over the next side. He flash with me hand. So precious. Precious, thank you so much, Jesus Christ. Precious, thank you. Precious, thank you, precious, thank you, precious, thank you. Boy, precious, thank you, precious. Precious, thank you. Thank you, precious. Thank you, precious cheese. I feel a lion there to me too. Thank you. Back to my reasoning now, my team. Back to my reasoning now. When me stay so boom, I know my team. I say, alright then. I saw we are going to go to work. Me go so on. Me see mama go so on. Hold on pa me hand. She want put it over on the other side. So me jar with me hand. Me I say, oi. So she goes so boom and it's like she catch herself and she say, awa. I look at me like it normal. Oh, you know say I saw me born. He said, tell me truth. Tell me truth. She said she had breast cancer. And she gave me one 3-minute sad story what happened to her. And me not lie. Me feel so sad. I was so sad. She gave me one 3-minute story what happened to her. And I sit down and the way I'm sorry for her, my people. I couldn't make mama just go home, so like, me that really be unfair. I'm not telling a lie, and I'm serious with this. Me that really be unfair if I make sure just go away like that, like, you know, I just tell her, say, yo, I just stop it and say, alright then. Me no want beat your skin because you have one titty and them somebody and breast cancer. And she say, yeah man, me understand I'm some man thing. So what we are gonna do about it? I had to give her what she came there for. Alright? Because me as a man, me can't hear she go through them touching thing there, and yes what me I say, me no make she feel happy the end of the day or the end of the night. Yes what me I say. So me do any good man with conscience would I do. No, for real. Me do any good man with conscience would I do. My hold on pan the one nipple like rodeo, like you know, like when he call them and the cowboy and the jockey and the thing them. I hitch on pan one I hitch on pan only one nipple in half. I hitch on pan the one nipple like rodeo. And I cock her up your see chat and chat. I slurp on the one blood clot nipple and beat its skin. Yes, what me I say? Kelly, thank you! Jesus Christ. I feel it in my hands. I feel it in my feet. I feel it all over me. Yeah, Jesus Christ. Thank you, Kelly. Kelly, thank you. Thank you, Kelly, thank you. Yes, my team. Me deal with it like any normal man with a heart would I deal with it. I hang on the one nipple like a rodeo and I beat the skin. And I slurp on the one nipple. Yes, what me I say? I slurp on the one nipple. Anyways, I stay as a woman. She go home and thing and she did a link me and I say, yo, you like it and thing, and me I say, how you mean? Yes, what me I say? I like it, and it's like she said to me, say, yo, you know, some sister you not really like some have one verse and them little thing there, and you see it. And me I say, no man, I want to man be man, I'm good with that man. You see me I say, come not lie, no, I'm a broad, you know, me I say, me have to get another beat, you know. You see me I say? Me I say, alright then. Stay so boom and link it one early morning and I go up on the river. You see it, me and her and my friend them. You see it. So she say, alright, she come on the river with me. But it's like me never think it through, like me I say. Why me that invite that girl here around my friend them go the river? Go specifically a river. Yes, what me I say, and you know when me realize it? When me go pick up a girl with me and my dog them, cause about 5 car load away I got a river, me go pick up a girl. Why mama decide for wear bath suit? 2-piece bath suit. Power tap it like that. Cause I go for some juice. I joked in that girl yesterday. In team, no, let's be realistic. Out of everything, mama decide for wear one 2-piece bath suit. So you know that all of my friends them see me. All of my friends them see what go on. And you see for the whole day, me couldn't rest normally. Then trouble me go, then trouble me come. Then trouble me go, then trouble me come. You see what I say? The man they make oh, Kelly Joe! Thank you. Kelly, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Pick up yourself. Then trouble me go chat. Then trouble me forward. You read one word?
17 gani blue one gani. Nah, give me
Hold on, chat here.
see.
Well, I know eat them. That's it. Them trouble me go chat, then trouble me come. And it's a thing where me salt, you know, sometime with woman, you know. Me salt with woman. You see, me have luck with some and me salt with some. You see, because anytime the one them where they know fi see, they always a see. And the one them fi see, they not see. No man, Kelly Joe, you're the fire. Jesus Christ. Well, on the church stop. There's a Jesus Christ, Kelly Joe, well on there. The summer is hot.
A ding dong song.
Yo, Kelly Joe Hollande, the summer is hot. Team, let me see you not tongue Kelly Joe and I chat for me, please and tongues. Boy, Kelly Joe is nice. And I just saw you go, you see, lads, that woman and me, I tell you something, leave me alone. Every girl need love. Here's what me I say. Jesus, Kelly Joe. Don't cry to me, I know. Why? Thank you, Kelly Joe. Thank you, Jesus Christ. Kelly Joe, thank you, Kelly Joe. Boy. Jesus Christ, pressure. Kelly Joe. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. Jesus. I'm not feeling full. Kelly Joe, me go drop one more story time. No, me go real. Team, when I help out Kelly Joe, one more story time. One more story time. Oh, yeah, blow up. One more story time. One more story time. Power Tap Live, them team. And we and Kelly Joe, they are going all a reasoning. Why not? One more story time. Power Tap Live there. Team, you can help out Kelly Joe. 1, 2 money gun, 1, 3 money gun. 1, you understand? Yes, you can help out Kelly Joe. I'm telling you something, people. Alright then. I'm gonna be honest with you. Here's what I say, I go through a whole heap of women in my lifetime. Here's what I say, I'm gonna learn my lesson with a whole heap of things. I'm gonna learn my lesson whole heap of way. Here's what I say, and if I be the man where me is today, I would have to go through them things here with woman, so me be a better man to myself, bro, or maybe a better version of myself for the next relationship where I want to go in. Yes, what I say. So it's good that I am so experienced when I can share a knowledge or two with certain kind of woman when I date in a life. Yes, what I say. For instance, I will never date a law woman ever in my life again. Me upon the fact say me have bad experience with woman of the law. Yes, what me I say, because them use them authority where them think them have or where the government give them and overpower certain things such as them relationship. Yes, what me I say, and it not right. Yes, what me I say, me was one of those victims who get caught in the mouth of a law woman. Yes, what me I say, because me and this police girl, the date, we live together like 6-7 months. Yes, what me I say, and the brutal force of law where a girl extend upon me, it is absurd. You understand what me I say? The brutal force of law that girl, which illegally should do it, it is absurd. Basically just threw me a man and me can't get no right. Me have to keep me backside quiet and take what me get.
Jesus Christ!
Don't fuck up that reason, Kelly Joey. We be going to reason. That is it. Story time brought to you by the one and only Rosalie Husband, also known as Handsome Gunman. That is it. Anyways, now my team, me and this female, like, for real. Okay. I soon chat here, bro. I soon chat here. I'm on the live. Babes, all and I can't talk to you now. I now want hot story time, baby. I soon talk to you. Me mute? Okay. What me I say to you, say, I know, team. Me and this Philly. Me and this police girl used to talk. That's what me I say, I'm living with the girl and everything, and it's a thing where you don't know is a nice person. You see, to get to know each other well. Me think it was a nice person. Yes, what me I say, the mere problem with me, I feel like I control people anytime in our relationship, and it's not really a control. It's like me have this protective barrier around my person. It's like me not know, me just need to control that because me always feel like say yo, me own the person. You see it like my one. This is like me take things so literally. Like if me a fuck you, say yo, a year pussy this, me a year one, and it's like me take them thing there literally. Is what me I say. And me as a man, what me I go do? Me I go protect what belong to me. Yes, what me I say? Yeah, so if you not see me too overprotective is me upon the fact say yo, me feel like say yo, this a girl or this a person that belong to me. So me have to protect my, you know? Yeah. Anyways now my people, cause this is crazy. My daddy and my wife, this girl, me take care of her the best me can. Yes, what me I say, if she short a certain thing, I make sure she have it because basically I mean she live being with. You see it? Some of the time them she will book care go work, some of the time them our squad care come pick her up. Anyways now, it's a thing where me not really know how police shift go, but I realize say yo, she work from 12 to 12. Yes, what me I say? And me not get no time. Me dey work most of the day them. Yes, what me I say? Me dey work most of the day them. Me not get no time. Like me hardly see her. So you see when she go away in the morning and come back, if she go away like all say yo 9 in the morning, she come back 9 o'clock in the night. So a full 12-hour shift for do. You see it? So it's like I feel like so when she come in, me forget that the time there. I know house husband, I'm working from home. Yes, what me I say, but me I work from home. So you don't know say yo, me I say yo. You know? Anyways, cause me with the woman cook and clean if me have to. You see it? It's not a problem for me do it, you see it, but it's just because of my house, me just do it. It's whatever. Me dey home. Anyways, now my team, I stay so woman, me and mom's dead, you know. Stay so woman, me and mom's dead. It's like every minute, this a girl you have somewhere to go. Police meeting, police headquarters, police that. So it's like me start get hungry for the time where she have to give me. Anyways, now one Friday night come and she say she and the police them a keep something with them there and things, so she a go. So me I say, alright, then no problem. She go. Woman no come in till 4 o'clock in the morning. Them time they me asleep. Want somebody fi hug up because me is a man when me asleep and me asleep with my woman. When me hitch on pan her, me team, even breeze can pass through. I saw me stay. I love sleep and cuddle and hitch up on my woman. I saw me stay, bro. I don't know my time, so. You see it, I love comfort. Anyways, no team, I stay so woman, me and the girl did it. And she come in after 4 and me I say, yo, hardly I get some time with you, you know, I can't see you. She say, yo, my youth, you have to understand, so work and this and that, and me I say, whatever for that. The next day now, she go work, come in, she have somewhere else to go. She and them a go drink somewhere. Police run, robbing and this and that. So me I say, yo, my girl, you not left the house? I want some time with her. It's like I can't get no time with her. I not left the house. Me I go see about that. This and that. So, I say, alright then. Don't say nothing. My daddy and she put on her clothes and sit and my daddy I watch her. Stay so woman. Me hide the key. Me hide the grill key. When me look, one big police van come. Would be a police in it and sitting, you know, some of them in a clothes, cause police clothes them in a. So me I look at me and say, why she in a something there in a uniform them money, you know. But me not really look on it no way. You see it. I stay so woman, she I say, yo, pull the grill now. Same time, I not pull the grill, I sit down in her house, you know, and I watch her, you know. You see it, so she go out there and told the policeman, them in them clothes, them gun come up. Hello, young man, come in, come pull the grill. Stay so me nah pull it. Me hear them shake the grill 2 times. People me catch my coward. Me not tell a lie. Me not so bad. Me afraid of police. Me catch my coward. You see what me I say? So me just walk go and then it's like me feel like a pussy. Me feel like a pussy now because when me hide it, it visible to where them can see. So me feel like a pussy now. I go so. And it's like, watch me now. Watch me now, team. I look on them. And pull out the other hiding spot and take out the key. And go there. And I looking at their face, I pull the girl. I mean, I shake and look at me kind of afraid of them, you know. And pull the button lock. So go on. When mama come in at 5 o'clock in the morning, I said, Jesus Christ. I not say nothing. But me as a man, me as a October man, and me not give up so easy. Me not to give up so easy. I stay so boom, and me I say, yo, woo, Jesus Christ, Kelly Joe. Kelly! Thank you. I appreciate love you. Thank Jesus Christ, Kelly Joe. Kelly Joe. Team on a big up, I'm see on a big up Kelly Joe and I chat the film then not thank you, Kelly Joe. Thank you. Thank you, Kelly Joe. I appreciate love you. Jesus Christ. Wow, thank you so much. Me did I say I know my team. Anyways, My daddy and me I say, me I go put my foot down, you know. Me nah make a girl a rule me, you know. Me go put down my foot, you know. As a October man, me I say me can't make that woman a rule me. Anyways, me stay so woman. Me I try talk to her. She come in the house about after 10, cause she left out, go work 10 o'clock and come back 10 o'clock, and my daddy I try talk to her. The girl splurge up on me. I say, yo, me can't do her nothing, and what she would do. And me I say, my girl, you go like you want come give man chat so. Boom, and me drape her up and thing. And she hold on for me and drape me up back. People, I just go so boom and me ease her off and show her off so she can't let go off of me. Mama call a same set of police man them. Yes, what me I say? Call the same set of policeman them. So me lucky grill. Me dead 15-minute time, me see them a sailor come. Then they a shake down a grill. So me tell them me hide the key, you know. If me see them a shake down the grill, and then nah move. Knowing me catch my coward. Me afraid of police. So me go back where me hide the key and take it out. I look upon them and shake down the girl. Take out the key. Pull the top girl. Pull the bottom girl. And me just see man that shoot me in. And shoot me in the living room. I say, come here. A woman you want to lick? Me I say, we are talking about Georgie. Me hear man say, which part in kicking in your neck? I saw me look on the wicked girl. Me hear man say, which part in kick? Me say, yo, me know police lie, you know. But I'd never know a sudden lie. Me say man say, which part in kicking in your neck? Mama never ball, you know. When me turn round, a look girl a ball out of one eye. Come here, me turn round for say, me kicking in your neck. And you know the wicked ball them way over there. Then now why no over the side there, no, cause one year them a ball out and this alone want to come from, you know. But them are wicked. Me here, me see girl about. Me can't hear what she say. Me can't me hear what she has say. Me. Me say, what a blood clot girl wicked. Me say, me. Me say, me not kick her neck. One of them hold me by me shot, kick with my foot, and tell the girl to lick me back. What that brother I say to me say? Cause one way I go down, you know. Me say what? Me say lick back who? People. Me say Pitney give me some blood clot lick. Me say girl give me some blood clot lick. When I tell them she have a map stick and she a walk me them place here. And me say every lick chopper saw me a dance and she a walk me, you know. And every lick chopper saw me a dance. And them stay till she pack up her things them and come out. She stay, them watch her stay till she pack up her stuff them and come out. What I know is story not it story just reach halfway. Story just reach halfway, my chat. Halfway there. You know they nowhere near it. When me sit down, come away me pain up, me could even get up, you know. When me sit down and watch this, me I say, I can't even lock up a wicked girl cause she a police. And me watch her go out and me I say, oh God, wicked piece of blood clot girl. Anyways, team, couple weeks pass and you know me alright, about 3 days me sore up for me can't hardly move, you know. I want my dog them me have to call over for help me, you know. Yes, what me I say? Me could even work. All my vice host. Wicked piece of beating girl give me, you know. Couple weeks pass now, my people. And I stay so boom and I go to one party. I go to one party and it's like I see one girl stand up over there with some youth and sing. When me look, no for me girl. When me look, no for me girl, people, me stay and scratch my head. And me I say, oh, me woman look so hot. So me go over there and me call her. Hey, me I want really a you know. People you know say after everything, me got there back with the woman. After everything, me got there back with the girl. Yes, what me I say? After everything, me got there back with her. Yes, it. Anyhow, no, me team, cause me got tell you no how we left. Yeah, feel me, woman, me not understand you. Me not understand you no chat. So no feel me, woman. Me got there back with my woman and I leave me alone and come out of me and my woman business. Until me and the girl they raps it about a month and them little thing there and you know me get back into her and love her and them little thing there. You see it? After the same operation, is what me I say, me end up meet one police dog. Cause one police dog did stop me and you know they collect him number and see me. So me and him end up turn bridge and we got 2 party and roll and thing. So me I tell the police dog about her and me I tell the dog say yo it's like a dog go give me a girl and me I say bro you know me have a B. Me have a police girl already too, you know. You see guys a police girl the dog give me and I say that me have a police girl already and man I say I'ma see her. Show a dog her. Man say like man that say na sure this work at Constant Spring. I say, yeah, dog, because you don't know police and police, them know police. So man say, you personal feel this? Me I say, yeah, dog. Me I say, bro, I'm a good woman. Me can't make that girl say me I do nothing because you will kill me. You see what me I say? Yeah, man, me love that girl I gone to bed and sit, man. Man say, Jesus Christ, I'm see man start holding me and me I say, oh, what? Man I say, Jesus Christ, I came. Me say, squad, you what? Man I say, I force mock this, you know. Yeah, man. A regular should they something that them and the dog them carry go beat it way and them something that the round robin them and sitting and the man they just try to and go beat it way and them thing, no man. Nobody and my dog beat it, man, and let it off early in the morning, about 5 o'clock. That's what I say. What time me later on? It's 5 o'clock. say cash, you tell me I ain't drive. But we should have known the 4 Series pipe up 4 Series the drive. Cause as it let her off, I get on a go road a beer shot. I be up with a poop go road. It does a bell, so we should have known I ain't drive. John. I couldn't even face her. I stay so I call her phone and it's like me, I tell her my mind on the phone. And she said, come off from my phone with your foolinish. I said, come off from my phone with my foolinish. Hey, girl, how much love and trust me put in a yana this do me? Me I come up on my yard. Anyway, I'm stay so boom and go up on my yard now. I'm grab out her things them. I grab out her things them and throw them a door and say, come out of my house. I say she go upstairs some woman and go up on her phone. I didn't even listen what she say because me a cussing and I see her on her phone. 15 minutes after I see she left off her phone. 15 minutes after I see she left off her phone. When me look, I want Jeep that me see her come up the road. Mama start hold her belly and ball. Why? I say what? I say mama start hold her belly and a ball. Why? Why? So I see the man in tap and jump out I can and I say, where him there? He kicked me in my belly. One more dose of beating again in a blood clot living room. I just make sure lick me and go on, you know. I make sure lick me and go on.
Hi.
Hey, good day, what's up?
What's up? You wanna run a battle?
Oh, sure. How much we doing?
Just one.
Just one? Okay, let's do it.
Trey. Thank you, Trey.
For what up you like in the team, please, Anton.
Okay, guys. Everybody double tap, double tap, double tap, double tap.
For what up you like, for what up you like, for what up you like, my team. For what up you like, yeah? My dog. For what up you like, the team. We have a first triple now. Can you use up our
W
first
Trey,
triple?
thank you. I don't know why our bubbles do not fill up that ass. What is going on, chat?
First triple team.
Chat triples, triples,
Use our
triples,
first,
triples.
use our first triple at the team. Use our first triple at the gorgeous. Thank you so much.
Anything else?
Use the first triple at the team. Use the first triple at it. I think we are big on a small push.
Hi, Angel.
Use the first triple at the team. Use the first triple at it. Team, use the first triple at the team. If you can repost the live and throw up the live. I'll do hours now, my team. Go on, good.
Hi, Angel. It's going good, Angel. How are you?
Vanilla. Team, una something there, una follow my page already. We are begging us to follow the please and una follow me already, my team. I beg you follow them, my team, please and
Hi, X.
Team, can go in the top 10? Can go in the top 10, team? No can push me in the top 10?
Hi, X.
Team, power up your live there. Power up your live there. I'm begging us some roses there. Please and thanks there. If you can push me in the top 10, team, would I appreciate it. Please and thanks.
Keep knocking. Whether you be turn it up or rebucking.
Team, we are begging us small in the top 10. I think like about 30K put me in the top 10.
Guys, 6 roses. My mind goes on the trail. 6 roses, chat. Me on my face.
Oh, thank you, you know, too. Precious baby.
Guys. Thank you guys. Oh, 5 more roses, shot.
Alright, team, we have a double. We can beg on our gloves for this, please, and thanks. Team, we are begging on our gloves for the double, please, and thanks, my team. Power tap your life, power tap your life, power tap your life, my team.
Alright, guys, 5 roses, chat. Hi, Myron.
Who have a gloves, gorgeous, thank you. Hold that, gorgeous. Hold that.
Sometimes
hold on. Alright, team. I know the gloves kind of early. Alright, then, team. Make we use. Clip on the gloves and use it, team. Use the gloves, my team.
I don't know why this is like this.
Gloves and double. That's okay, sister. That's okay. Use the gloves. Thanks, my team. Use the gloves, my team.
I never thought
use the gloves and double, my team. Gloves and double. We are going to push to the top 10, my ladies. We are going to push to the top 10. We are going to push to the top 10. Maki.
What's up, Ash?
So much, you know. Thank you, princess. Team, we are going to push to the top 10. Please and thanks. Can you use up the double here, team? Use a double. Let's go, team.
Alright, chat.
Mommy have 2 boys. Thank you so much, you know.
Hi, JB.
Use a double, my team. Use a double.
Hi, Unpredictable. You know what's so crazy? I don't see freaking. It's so weird, dude. I don't know why.
Joanne, thank you so much. I'm begging one more on our team.
Hi, loving me.
Joanne, thank you so much. If you can spam some on our team, just make us spam some on our. They are number 13. 5 more K team. And with the number 12. 7 more K. And
hi, they could
team, we need like 20K. We got top 10.
Mashi, what's up? Ash, how are you, babe?
20K, my ladies, we got top 10. I'm begging us some on our team, please and thanks. Melisha, big up yourself, you know.
Take the head of football team. Barb, welcome.
Marky, big up yourself, you know, Mark. Thank you so much, Sissy Pooh. Marky H. Wow, what that? Big up yourself, sister.
Stay home. Live.
Just Anna,
thank you.
Oh, tap the live.
Everybody is double tapping. Thank you.
Oh, tap the live. Thank you so much, my ladies. Melisha. Okay,
bye.
All right, take care, okay, Monica. Thank you so much, my team. Thank you so much. Team, we are begging on a small push, them, my ladies. Play about my song, my team. Team, wanna enjoy the story times? I'ma pause this. Wanna enjoy the story times, my ladies? Wanna enjoy the story times? I see get a whole heap of traction, my team. Wanna enjoy the story times? I have a whole heap more on my team. And this me used to do, you know. Me used to normally do story time, you know. Yes, what me I say? I just normally used to the story time, but when me and Rose just start link and them thing there, I'm used to do it. Me upon the major attraction I used to get is like it was just no good, so it's like I just kind of take a break from it. Yes, what I say. But now you don't know me feel comfortable. We can do them now and them little thing them. Full of vibe with my ladies them. Chill, you know them style. Yeah, some of them weird them a thing, but yeah. That's great stuff. Power tap live, my team. If we can get a money gun, a Galaxy or not, anything we can get, team. We beg on just a small push to top 10, I would appreciate you guys. Anyway. Joan, thank you. Joan, thank you so much, mommy. Yeah. Thank you. XXX, my sister. Great girl meet woman. Kelly, Joe. And as long as I'm next to you, Kelly Joe, thank you so much. Number 12. I would have loving you is a prize. But I'm gonna invest in you. Love. Kelly Joe, thank you so much. Kelly Joe. Thank you so freaking much. Thank you so freaking much. What I feel like. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.
What's up? The Lion is Empress.
Thank you.
How have you been? I haven't seen you in forever. Alexa.
XXX sister, thank you so much. Thank you. Bro, I was requesting you a couple of times, but you didn't accept.
I was busy.
I see that, bro. Sorry about that.
Crazy
Yo, XXX, my sister, thank you so much. Kelly Joe, thank you so freaking much. What we doing tonight? First to 3?
Sure, let's do it.
Okay, bro. Team, he got smoke. He got crazy smoke. Team, thank you so freaking much. Really appreciate it, my team. Thank you so much, my team.
Team, he's talking mad stuff over there. We don't have crazy smoke. We don't have crazy
Team, believe me, that you have crazy smoke. Team, we can get some power tap in another live here, please. We have a first double, my team. We have a
resume playing.
We have a first double, my team. We can use it up. We can use that first double at my team. First double to my team. Use the first double at my team. Use the first double at my team. Team, we are going good for come on 10 o'clock still. You know?
And it's just if they were to bite somebody or something.
Gorgeous, thank you so much.
Snipe the doubles if you can, crazy Nicole.
Use the double, first double, my team.
Great side.
First double.
Welcome in, Dale.
Thank you. The queen, thank you.
Thank you so much, Creekside.
Oh, XXX, my sister.
Unapologetic, how have you been? I haven't seen you in a little while. Everything going well?
So, let's say that got crazy.
Then they say we quarantine them. They could possibly euthanize them, Anna.
What the like. Everybody who just joined the live, my sister, thank you so much, you know.
Monica, you can use them last 30.
I really appreciate you, no. I really appreciate you, no, Chad. X,
Does it want for him?
thank
Nope,
you.
she doesn't.
XXX, my sister,
That is-
thank you. Hold on, there, my sister. Hold on there. Hold on, there, my
It could
sister.
harm someone and then
Who have
get
a
hurt.
gloves
It's
in
not
our chat?
worth it for those cute little babies. Yeah,
Who have a
Breezy,
gloves
exactly.
in our chat? Who have a gloves in
Yep.
our chat? Yeah.
Mr. Prestigious Worldwide, how are you doing today? I don't blame you at all for keeping
Who
you.
have a gloves in our chat?
Yeah,
All right,
we do too.
all right,
B.
Max. Big it, big it.
Thank you, Deb.
Big it, no.
Mary,
Big it, no.
Breezy, guys, couple donuts, couple donuts. We're gonna lose it. Hand heart something. Hi, Whitney. Creekside Breezy. Crazy bits. Crazy bits. Thank you. Creekside AMAC.
Go,
I was right there for a moment.
Gloves and double, gloves and double, gloves and double, gloves and double. Gloves and double, gloves and double, my team. Gloves and double,
Thank you,
gloves and double.
AMAC.
Gloves and
Nicole.
double, gloves and double, my team.
Tiff
Gloves
Love
and
Tammy.
double. Gloves and double, my team. Gloves and double. Gloves and double. I just 3 games we have played, team. Gloves and double. Gloves
Thank you,
and
Monica. Thank you, Rockin' Robin.
gloves and double, my team. Gloves and double. Okay, thank you. Can big on us,
Robin, Rose. Thank you,
Can big on
guys.
us, snipe. Misha, thank you so much. Big on us, snipe, my team. Can big on us, snipe. Snipe team. Snipe your first double. Snipe your first. Snipe that double. Snipe your double. Snipe your double.
Oh, we got 2, 3, and 4.
Snipe your double.
AMAC leveled up level 34. AMAC, can you message me? I need to get you. I think, or did I already get you a plate? Monica, Lisa,
Snipe.
Creekside Nancy.
Sister, thank you so much. Team big on our team snipe. Team snipe. Team snipe. Team snipe. Team snipe.
Tiff Love Christy. Lisa June leveled up 33. Let's go. Rose for the singing mushroom. Oh, I got a mushroom on my head. Did you just make me a dickhead?
Thank you, you know.
I just.
Thank you, Maki. Team, I think we can catch him. Not that far, you know.
Casey, yeah, that's the plan.
In the 11K.
Tanya, Nancy, Lori,
Think we can catch
Coda,
him.
Jen,
You want more big up, you know.
2DK.
Think we can catch
Like a lot of
him.
people have monkeys, but I've never
Thank you.
seen anyone as careful. Well, thank you, Breezy.
Can catch him, team. Who have our gloves?
My gifts are all messed up again. Oh, what done happened, Creekside? Richie, baby.
Don't
How
drop
are you?
it, you know. Just tell me. Who else have our gloves?
But not euthanize. But not euthanize, so I get it now.
Talk to my ladies. Who else
Yeah,
have our
Sweet Pea, Lori C. Amax. Oh, it's just because I put a mushroom on top of my head. Maybe mushroom head. Dickhead.
Talk to me, team. Talk to me. Who have our gloves? Who have our gloves?
Tracy. Tracy with the freaking galaxy.
Who have our gloves?
Clover Pill, I do not. I do not have one. I can get you the PO box if you message myself or one of the mods. We can get you the PO box.
Big air gloves. Big air gloves.
Glove is up,
Big air
guys.
gloves. Good morning, Shreddy. Big air gloves. Big air gloves.
Watch it. Is he from Trinidad? No, I think he's from Jamaica. Rosalie, where are you from?
Jamaica, bro.
Yeah, Jamaica. See, that's what I thought.
Alright, good try, my ladies. Good try. Next game we'll catch you.
Discord link in bio. No,
Next
Mary, you
game
gotta get it
next
for myself or one of the mods. Creekside, Monica.
XXX.
Oh, what the fuck?
Maki with the deal.
Y'all see that? That damn parrot just tried to bite me.
Thank you.
Y'all see that shit?
Nisha.
Creekside, you trying to get me bit more? Trying to get me bit by a daggone parrot? MVP Creekside, you got a gold glove again. Monica Dog Mom, Tracy Elizabeth, Tammy, Crazy Bits, Rockin' Robin, Nicole, Robert, Breezy, Mary. Thank all of you guys. I want to visit Jamaica. You trying to get on that ganja train? What's Rosalie over there eating? Alexa, pause. What you got there?
Some natural Jamaican steam fish, bro.
What is the white bits?
Oh, that's like noodles.
Noodle.
Yeah.
Fish and noodles. Okay.
What a black team.
That actually looks pretty good.
It is actually. What a life, my team.
No gooping tonight, Creighton? I don't think we're gonna be gooping tonight.
Go, bro.
We've been gooping too much. Tamales or
Oh, you from the Mac, bro. You from the Mac.
okay. I did send it.
Well, you didn't get no speed. There it is.
Oh, got you. All right, cool. Fortress, I'm doing well. How are you?
Alright, team, I could lock into you.
Thank you, Tiff Love. Tell us we'll be looking for.
You want some?
I think we're gonna have to tell
You want
Dubs.
some, my ladies? Use it. Triple. Use it, triple.
Tracy. I think we're gonna tell Dubs no today.
Use it, triple.
We're gonna tell Dubs and Andrew no today.
Use it, triple.
Lulu. Oh snap! They jumped up big.
X. Thank
Monica.
you, sister, so much.
They jumped up big. Somebody sniped. Creekside, you
So nice,
coming
thank you.
in strong with the sports car. I can't wait to get y'all's new
Thank you, my
plates in.
sister.
No, you won't. I'll play tomorrow with you guys. Okay, Melmar. Dubs needs intermission.
Thank you so much.
Is that what that's called? Is it called intermission? Intervention, not intermission. Intervention. Right? Am I tripping? It's called intervention, right? Creekside, boss at bid. Intervention, yeah. I think they all need intervention. Hey, it's good for our health. It's good for our health other than a little bit of lack of sleep.
Thank you, Vivian.
It's one or the other. Is it morning or night? It's not. It's 12:14. Intervention. Thank you, Jennifer. Shay. It's good, clean fun. Sometimes we rage out a little bit. Are you good?
Okay, have a globe, team. Have a globe.
Thank you, Jillian. Oh, is this the same Jillian that got banned earlier? Did you come back in on another?
Have a globe. You have a globe, ladies.
Lovely, welcome in. Oh, guys, we need one more rose from one more person. They
You have a
will
globe, chat.
be on at you. Yes, but you're at home and safe yet. Some of those. Oh shit, this is going so fast now. Thank you, Rose. Thank you, JJ.
Go double.
I kept, it was crazy there towards the end.
Go double, my team. Go double.
Yeah, I gotta work Saturday and I'm mad about it. Never work Saturdays. I'm sorry, Lulu. Monica, Heartbeat.
Use a double. Alright, then so get our gloves up on the double.
Sarah, oh, that was cool.
Alright,
Sarah,
so
I've never seen that one.
gloves. That is it in Kelly Smith.
Thank you, Mac. Thank you,
Clip
Lori.
on the gloves and shoot. Clip on the gloves and shoot. Clip on the gloves and shoot. Use the gloves. Use the
Sarah
gloves.
James.
That is it in a garden. Use the gloves, team.
Dad, tell
Use the
mom
gloves.
I'm
Use the
sorry
gloves.
for
Use the
being
gloves,
that
team.
girl. Yeah.
Thank you, XXX. Thank you so much. Team Elport XXX. Thank you, no
They're so
sister.
cool.
Elport XXX.
Yeah, they're
Elport
pretty cool.
XXX. Elport XXX, my team. Mandy, Misha, thank you. Elport, no team. We can do this.
Oh, snap. They just had some hit the glove. All right, who's got her glove on this?
Thank
Who's
you.
got her glove?
Snipe.
We gotta lock in right here, chat. Thank you, Sarah.
Snipe. Good team. Good team. We have another gloves. Don't drop it yet. Just answer.
They had a Leon the Kitten hit on a glove. Leon the Kitty hit on the glove.
Sexy channel. Alright then, Kelly Smith. We are begging.
Leon the Kitty hit on the glove. Tracy's got glove, y'all.
30 seconds.
Tracy's got the glove. She's gonna drop it last 30.
Fuck.
If you got a number 2 or number 3, drop it last 30 second. Blazy, it's the same percentage. It's the same percentage, but if you throw a vault gift and the vault gift hits, then it's times 6. I got 3. You got 3 vault gloves, lovely, or just regular gloves? We can use some regular gloves here in a little while. Oh, I got a 3. Okay, you can drop the 3. The number 3, you can drop it at 30 seconds. That will be on Monica. No pressure to you, Monica dog mom.
Go. Drop it now, Kelly. Drop it.
Up.
Alright, that is it.
We gonna need something to hit. We gonna need something to hit right here.
Go.
Green eye lady.
Go.
Monica.
Go, my team. Thank you. Go. Shake.
Creekside, firing right back. Creekside, firing right back. Hit on the glove.
Snipe.
Sarah.
Snipe, 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 snipe.
Watch it.
Snipe,
Fortress.
snipe, snipe, snipe. Snipe.
Let's go. LA Snow. Creekside, both of those hit. Old glove. Creekside, both of them fucking hit. Let's go. Let's go. MVP. Creekside. Monica Dogmom. Tracy Elizabeth. Sarah Jane. Green Eyed Lady. Lulu. Fortress. LA Snow. Both ladies.
Thank you so
Thank all of
much,
you guys so
Sissy
much.
Poo.
Auntie Lori got another gold
Thank
glove.
you. Melisha, Mandy, Vivian.
Monica got 2 gloves and Tracy got a glove and a
Thank
miss.
you so
There you
much.
go.
Slappy gloves are great.
Right. Oh, well, I just wanted to come and say hi since you invited me earlier.
Okay, you send the match, bro. That's 2.
First to 3.
Yeah.
Yeah, first 3. Oh, shit. We're doing first to 3. I forgot. First to 3. One more, guys. One more. If we win this one, last one. I forgot he said first to 3, not best 2 out of 3. I'm used to doing 2 out of 3s. We only got doubles here.
Okay.
Maybe I've only been in it for about 3 or 4 months.
Power tap your light, my king. Power tap your light, bro.
Welcome in, Grateful. Kendrell with the heart meet. Where you been at, brother?
Double.
Hey, Ben Kendrell.
First double. First the best up and First
You, Nicole.
double. First double team. First double.
My cat's in the
First double, I know me could win even one team.
Melmar with the motorcycle.
Even one of them we
Like,
have
you can
bet
change the
for
color of the
win.
motorcycle now? That's cool. Creekside Stacy. AMAC. Creekside.
Poor couple.
Cat. Black Cat. I'm just going to keep calling you Black Cat because I forgot your name again. Thank you, Black Cat. Dawn.
Team with a 13K to 200K team.
Baked beans. Baked beans.
With a 13K to 200K. We just left it there, so.
Baked beans. Good night, Annie. New gifts. Fortress done. How are you? I'm doing pretty good. Just chilling, taking care of the babies as usual. Thank you, Dark Stitch. Was pressing you battles was last night on one of his mods. I was like, oh yeah. He's not really my cup of tea. Lilac Darkside. LA Snow.
Team power tap your light, man.
Guys, need some donuts to get the freaking speed. He's wild, yeah, he's definitely wild. Monica, AMAC. No, ma'am. Creekshot Shay. Sorry, I didn't mean to wake you up. I was just trying to scoot up. Are you ready to go get in bed? Her putters are so precious until she gets mad. Melmar Jules! Uh-oh, he jumped ahead. He jumped ahead on the Interstellar. Melmar, LA Snow.
Thank you so much, Sister Pooh. Go team, go. Team up and do this. Go doubles. If we have a glove, drop the gloves. If we have a glove, drop the gloves. Go doubles.
Lovely freaking Interstellar.
Go doubles.
Thank you so much, lovely.
Go doubles.
Monica with
Don't
the
catch him in a
blooming.
team. 10K catch him. Alright.
One Creighton. Thank you so much, Melmar.
Gloves and double. That is it in a Kelly Smith. Gloves and double, chat. Gloves and double.
AMAC, do you have a plate?
Gloves and double.
AMAC, do you have a plate?
Gloves and double.
Lovely level up 47. Monica Rose.
If I slap the gloves here, you see?
Sarah.
If I push ever slap him, I catch him in a team.
Shoot. That hurt. I don't. Okay, let me get you one, AMAC. AMAC, I can't ever see your points, and I know that you've definitely thrown enough to have one. So let me write your name down. Do you know what color you would want? If I can find a pen, here we go. Thank you, Tracy. Oh, who's got glove? Who's got glove on this, y'all? AMAC does a ton. Yeah. AMAC and blue. Got you. I got you. Me, Creekside's got glove, y'all. Creekside's got glove. AMAC, if you know that you've sent, it'll be like in a single day. If you send over 30K, let me know so I can get you the new plates that we're doing as well. I appreciate you. I try and keep up with it with the people that don't have their gifting on. I try and do my best to keep up with it. She mad you woke her up? Yeah, she got mad I woke her up. Oh, we got a gold glove. We got a gold glove. This is where the vaults come in if you got one. Green Out Lady. Creekside. I can look at it afterwards, Breezy. I might have sent one close. Lovely with a freaking Guardian. Thank you, Lovely. Creekside with the blooming ribbons. Sarah becoming the title gifter of the hand hearts. Maureen with the manifesting. Sarah. Lilac with the rainbow slide. He done made me hungry now. MVP Lovely, Melmar, Creekside, Sarah, Monica Dogmom, Sarah Jane, Maureen, Fortress, Tracy, Stacy Gen X. Thank all of you guys so much.
Really appreciate.
I'm okay though. Oh, do you not have one? Oh, you're Melmar. You do need to get yours as well.
Really appreciate you.
That's the new plates. I haven't seen them. I'll show them here in just 1 second. Give me a moment.
Precious, thank you so much. Well, XXX sister, Wally love my sissy Pooh. Thank you so much. Well, everybody who support my man, thank you so much. Foxy Roxy, big up yourself to sister. Thank you. Everybody who can support me in the night and my team. Holy love. Okay, bro. Good games, bro. Thank you, bro.
Good game, brother. Much love.
Okay, bless up to you and your team, bro.
You too. So eventually it will happen. What will happen, Melmar?
Oh, that was chat team. Brush my brush, you see chat. Yeah, if you don't want no answer me. Boy team. Tonight was a lovely night. You can't complain. Oh, we got talking to you, ladies. Tonight was a lovely night, my team. Team, you know, say 8K, we want to go 7. Could I live here 7 still? You see, okay, we want to go 7 clean. Jaja, stop. Stop. Thank you so much, my ladies.
Bring tears to your eyes, and all that surround you are secrets and lies. I'll be your strength, I'll give you hope, keeping your faith when it's gone. When you should go, I'm standing there all alone. And I will take you in my arms and hold you right where you belong. Till the day my life is through, this I promise you. Yes, I
I beg on a 3 Galaxy, my ladies. Music are just smooth. You see, they just can hold and melt and go on. Think and then make it thing. You know that? Yeah, you know, I don't know too much material. Believe me. Mooney G, thank you so much, my sister. Right, ready. What time now? By 12:60, me a father of man. Today I have to go another 20 minutes. Come play some music for me ladies there, man. And go and hold a vibe. Go and talk to them little and, you know? What happy life, my team. Team, okay, I'm big on 2 more Galaxy, please. 2 more Galaxy, my team. I would need like about 5 more K. I will leave it there, so my team. We are big, my ladies, them 2 more Galaxy.
If you're not the one, then why does my soul feel glad today? If you're not the one, then why does my hand fit yours this way? If you are not mine, then why does your heart beat
in love? When you listen to music, yeah, I just want to love somebody. You know what I'm saying? And when you love somebody, I want the greatest thing, you know. You see, it's like when you get somebody where you love, you just get a friend, you get a partner, you just get somebody where, you know, especially the ladies, them, when you get someone when you can rely upon, you know, say, I'm a nigga this and he got me. That's what I say, some of the big women, they want to talk to also young youth and carrying on some restaurant and spending money. You see it, and I know say, yo, the youth, you have no back, bro. Security wise, you know how not to worry about the local crazy ex. I man got you. You see what I say? Them things I make you wild up. I just really talk. In your eyes. Dorothy, thank you. But like for real, man. You see what I say? And sometimes, you know, my question female when I talk to, like, why them always so insecure of themselves in a way where them just always want reassurance of things like say, yo girl, I love you, girl, you're pretty, and them little things. And bro, me I tell you something, it makes sense, yeah? You see, because you see the moment you not tell a woman when she put on all her clothes, you not tell her how she look good and them little things there. And to make a next man I do that, bro, me I tell you no charge you. When you lose on a girl you fuck. So me I say you just a lose out, you just lose on a woman. Because a woman like when you remind her, a woman, me tell you, sometimes I know little pitty thing, you know. But a woman just like feel good in themselves. You see, it's just like same princess treatment. Them just like feel girly. You see what me I say? Yeah, and them just want you taking shots. And more while it's not even rule or where she want. Where she just want this and she just want you this and stay. So bro, if you want in love with your woman, you know, bro, if you want your girl feel love, you know, you have to tell her certain things, brother. You see it? You can't be too bad and too much of a man with your woman, bro. You see it? Because me, let me tell you, me is a youth where me rampy, me not telling a lie. Me a woman there and I just be a rampy that. But I run up on her and kick her all in her body. Lick her in her head back and run and she run me down. That's why me I say I'm hold her all down and shoot her away and run off and she try to catch me so lick me back and at them little thing there. That's why me I say so a girl like when she can just feel back like in her teenage self again, bro. She just feel good, she feels special, bro. That's why me I say I'm not telling you no lie, man. You know, if you just show out that side and the caring side towards your woman. You know, treat your friend and your woman the same way. That's what I say, because when you act tough by your woman, she end up hate you, bro, and another man out there go show her love, care, and them little thing there. And I don't say about game, but believe me, I don't wanna run away, but I can't take it. I don't understand if I'm never made for you, and why does my heart tell me that I am? Team, can beg on 6 and out, please. Beg on 6 and out, my ladies. 6 and out. Danberry, big up, you know. Whole heap of love, you know. Oh, Dan Bryan. Sorry. Big up yourself, you know. But get some Anna. Woo! Kelly Joe. Cute face. Big up yourself, you know. Yo, you know, say some new people me I say I really appreciate, you know. That's what me I say. My sister, big up yourself, you know. I really appreciate love you guys.
If your workflow looks like 12 open tabs and 3 subscriptions, whew, stop. This is...
Me and my ladies them in the night, yeah. I go and hold a vibe. That's it. So all of my ladies them, me I beg on no just forward out, no go and easy, put on the phone side down, no. Might be on a rose. A drama. Power tap like them team.
Fussing and fighting, we back at it again. I know that it's my fault, you don't understand. I got memories, this is crazy. You ain't nothing like the girl I used to know. Good with mom, good with pop, good with all my. I should try, truth is I wanna let you in.
Oh, thank you so much, Kelly Smith.
Girl, I really wanna work this out, 'cause I'm tired of fighting. And I really hope you still wanna make the way I want you.
Hey.
I really wanna work this out, dear girl, I'm trying. It's no excuse, no excuse.
Hey, I'ma tell you now, when you don't know no love on a significant other. You see, when you really get in a something, I'm not gonna tell you no something, ladies. I'm gonna reason we don't know upon a real big man to big woman level. Wanna stop, make, and me I gotta be honest with you know. And me I reason with you know. Don't make it okay for your man to cheat. Like, even if you are gonna take him back and talk to him back, you have to set on no boundaries and set on no levels certain way. That's what me I say. Me is not a perfect P, but me I talk to my ladies them. That's it. Don't make it be okay. You have to set barriers to certain things. You say, even if you don't know someone love no man to death or no, even if him cheat, you not go talk back to him because you have some ladies kinda insecure about them body count. Them not really want them body count this high. So them willing for go fuck back a man where them used to fuck with. Or just stay with them man where them deal with. Kelly Joe, thank you so fucking much. Thank you, Kelly. You see what I say? So we have to understand that. You see it? You have to set barriers a certain way. You see what I say? So make him just urge for you, make him really just cry a certain way and just make him know, say, yo, make him know how him feel. And then, even if you do take him back, you have to see changes. You see what I say? Changes, because, listen, and every leaf will drop a water bottom me right at the same time. You see it? We're not dead, no dash away. You see it? People can change. I can tell you that. You see it? What day you hear me I talk to one? What day you hear me I talk to one girl? And she said to me, say, yo, you would if I, like she say, yo, you're the wife a go girl. And I say to her, say, yo, you know me the wife, anybody? And she say, really, Akeem and them look at something there. I say something to you. Everybody deserve love. Here's what I say. And you see a person can change a person. You see it? I say enough goal a man thinks that them a goal. And when them find out how them girls stay, them realize say a couple they have. I tell you. You see it? It easy for some girl will go through a whole heap of thing in her life, change and adjust certain way and adjust to her surroundings, bro. More than some girl will just have some simpler life charge. You see what I say? Because you see some girl will go through something with some man and go through some earth and them little thing there with them resort and say, oh, me have to just dance and just no business about man and them thing there. And them find a man will see the value in a them and stay and lock them certain way, then do every blood clotting for keep that them on there, bro. Because what you know, no man never come around her like this and show her so much love and so much respect, bro. Every man will come around her, it come like a using thing, it come like a fuck, and when he want to fuck at them time, them link you, him text you and them little thing there. You have to understand that so some girl get some man, bro, where them themselves can't even believe say them have that them one day. Yes, what me I say, so then stop certain folly ground, bro, because they want to keep that them on there, bro. Because you have to understand, say a woman is very submissive, bro, to where a man want. Yes, what me I say. So yes, when the man stays a woman and show about fame dominance in a she, bro, with fear submissive self and how she love that the man they should just stay as a woman quite go right back down. Yes, what me I say, because woman work off a reciprocated energy. I just we them want to just stand up as a man and lead out sometime, bro. You see it? So we have to understand that you see woman who have the ball in a phone court. You don't have the ball in a phone court. So you see sometime, bro, you don't have to make a man, you don't have to set on a boundary with a man, cause even man like me sometimes I just feel like say me in a control and me just in a control. Sometimes you have to set on a boundary with certain man. Me not talk about lock shop boundary, because if you no lock shop a man, he might go fuck a road. Pussy not hard to get out there. But set certain boundary because you don't know what kind of value you bring to him. Yes, what I say, you don't know what kind of value you bring to him. In a real life. Power tap your life, them a team.
I got this icebox where my heart used to be. I got this icebox where
And now about to come up 12 1 o'clock next week.
I'm so cold. Sweet
part of your life, my team. 1 million taps on the board, that is it.
Any other day, I would play it cool, but I can't now, cause I want you. See, I'm hooked on how you flex your style, and I wanna talk for a little while.
Yo,
I never
them song, yeah,
really seen you
a killer mood.
I must admit.
When me light up my spliff,
So maybe
I'ma just stay and start talking in your ears.
we can talk.
I'ma use all my tongue and stay and just start rubbing your ears and rub for your neck. And start kiss up your body and hug you close to me. And start whispering in your ears and tell you how much me really want to beat up your body. You see it, I'ma just start rub you down and then look at you while you get wet. Put me on your throat and the soul to take off your While me a look in your eye, you just a and then tune you just a bounce in my ears, so I would just a whole a vibe, you see what me I say? Take all my spliff and put it in your mouth. It's a puff too tight and something. You see, you need to catch a little small frost. Lay you down on the bed and stop me in your throat and tell you to open your mouth and drop one little spliff in it. You ladies don't like when your niggas spit in their mouth? Eh? With you be sweet lover, well, you should try it. That's sexy as hell. You should try it. That's sexy as hell. Thank you. You should try it, ladies. That's sexy as hell. Man, no business what I want to say. After no dirty mouth, man, I'm spitting on a mouth, a clean mouth, man. I'm just stay so boom and spitting in your mouth. While me I hold your throat. And I look in your eye and then you just start kiss off your lip at the same time. That's what I say. That is it, Tracy. Drum roll for you, Tracy. Well, we're not talking about ungratefulness now. Fuck time. All my time, I'll be there when you need me. Just receive me.
Brunswick tuna.
Believe
Perfect
me.
for snacking on a cracker.
I tell
On
you.
its own. Snacking made easy.
What do I need? All that drama you.
Want to talk about it later on? Drink or something? Yeah? Cool with that?
Not just easy. When them sexy tune you play, it's no time for confrontation. We're making love, baby. Come here, your clothes not come off yet. We just take off your tights now. And guess where I go come off next? Stay son. Slowly take off the panty. Here's what I say. Slowly take off your top. Every time you come around me, I can't breathe. Go. I'ma stay so. And just rub all my tongue on your nipple them. And you just tremble your ball for me put in that thing there. And I say, yo. Yeah, baby. I'ma just ask you. I wanna know what turns you on. And you say, just put it in a minute. And I say, no. Too quick. I'ma just kiss you up and I kiss up your body. Skin to skin, cause you feel all my warm body from your warm body. And you want black one part of AC, cause it feel cold and my warm body just to feel that spot there. And you say, Jesus Christ, I came.
Girl, he never understood what you were worth. No. And he never took the time to make it work.
Just some killer vibes, baby girl. Where are worried for? Just some killer vibes, baby girl. I don't even have to worry. I got you.
Any way that I can please you, let me learn.
I'm gonna slowly put it in. The way you're something look shave and pretty and delicate, me don't even want work it out for your hard. Slow strokes. Slow wine like my day a bombonat. Soul Sunday. Slow wine like what they are Soul Sunday. And my tongue in your ears and a kiss up all your face. Baby, anything you say I'll do, 'cause I only wanna make you happy. From the bottom of my heart, it's true. Tell me what I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I'll do, 'cause I only wanna make you happy. From the bottom of my heart, it's true. I'm still so. Don't tell you, these are more now. That's what me I say. You not enjoy your pum pum more than me. So, in that case, baby girl, me I enjoy your pum pum. And I am not afraid to tell you how that fucking vagina feels. So, I wanna know. So I can be I want to know, I'd like to know. No man, take me serious man, baby girl man. Take me serious man. Power up your life there. Take me serious man, baby girl man. No laughing for my face man. Serious and deadly man. I go join me a deal with you know. Good night. I knew you. And just like a and I dream about you ever since. Rosie, I live up my confidence, Rosie, yeah. When you come, listen, Rosie. Just what you say, can we talk for a minute? Rosie, girl, I want to know your name. Can we talk for a minute? Girl, I want to know your
You build a confident.
Yes, I'm a baby mother.
You build a confident. You don't know for look man.
I come kill my dreams on my girl.
You don't know for look no man. Remember the first time I meet you at Trimble like leaf. I ever tell you say calm down.
So I go and I meet good pussy girl, man. I don't even know it. Come let me did reminisce it. So I go on, man. I want to tell you, man. And I like when man tremble when they meet you.
No, you was trembling. It was extra. I was just laughing. You know, so watch ya. I must cut this, you know. Remember? You tremble like leaf. So I say warm to you. And upon my good man. I guess I don't know what I'm going to say. But I did nice today, though.
Girl, when you see me just rip off my clothes like you look for me in X6 and I said, John, no. Boy just come pick me up in a big black truck.
Like that one too.
When she come in there, she see all the red interior, bust her ears. She said, Jesus Christ, babes, you're so bright and lovely.
Yeah, I'm cool.
And I say, yo, cool, you know, AC still, so you all a tremble. And I say, oh, so you're the punch. She said, no, I'm there.
You're nice and fabulous.
She want
out gas.
She want to rip off that boy's clothes and, you know, get crazy. And I say, calm down, my girl, enough. Yeah, go and say, you know. She say, you're nice, though. I said, thank you, man, baby girl. You're nice, too. She stays a boom and I look for me like she say, I wonder what size cocky mug. I said, John must die. So find out in new blood clot time.
Me they say that to you?
So, no, you don't know me can read, girl.
They can't read no man, come me never did I do that. I was just nice and say he's a nice boy, good looking. He just a trim this and I put my hand on your chest and say, I feel the heart of your heart a beat. Alright, and I should call a pulse. Me that
A
touch
style I use that touch my heart. I'm a nipple you did a rub.
me never touch your nipple, your heart me a
Yeah, my
touch.
nipple you did a rub. Cause them time they, me all got Kim, you know. You see it, so you know my chest buff up them the time there. You know them time they, who know me a rose when me a rose just meet them the time they me. You know me have a little Muslim. Yeah. I feel your heart, you thick though.
Me never said that to you.
Yes, it is.
I me never that touch up your nipple neither.
Oh, ball my nipple, me and say, my girl, watch ya. I rub me that rub back there and nipple in a team, but me never want to look like a pervert. Oh, what I feel like.
Where that tremble do?
Me I say, I didn't want to rub back your nipple them, but me never want to look like a pervert. You see it?
Couldn't touch me.
I'm know that the one. I'm a son shoes, I could buy stuff like him.
And you couldn't do that. You know why you couldn't do that? You know why you couldn't do that? Because we start have a friendship first, so you couldn't do that.
My girl, your slippers could have get bust right or back to corner right there. So.
Nope.
So you think some never had a plan for cocky up right? I just try daylight. You know,
Nope.
you know me.
I never really like another way, so how you gonna do it?
My girl, Rose.
My mom me tells me give me a friendly hug. That friendly hug no big, you know.
My girl, it tight so you know wait up.
Never you know, me never wear tights, a liar tell.
No, the tights we have on and the little pumpkin skirt there.
Never
When you jump up and I see it and I go so. I see it tight.
Never not tights.
Wait up when you see me. I said, John, I didn't even tell her to thing yet.
Me never wet yet. But eventually get wet but another time there.
I get from the first day, so man, I couldn't okay wait up, man.
Nope. Don't flatter yourself. You're not that.
No, like you said, Jesus Christ, I can't wait till a boy come beat it up for me, you know.
Nope. Who tell them something there?
You?
No.
You want me go for the message them?
Want for the message. Can you leak message too? Want for it no? Want for it. Yeah, find it now. Find the message. Try to make the one that you created, you know. Don't believe him.
My chat said no. My chat said no. My chat said
no. Message. Move. You don't have no message.
I'm so chatting. I'm so come for life, bro.
The message you have.
I Rose, my auntie. You know, text me.
I never want you. The first time I never want. Me never want you. Me never want you. I never like it like that. It was me look on playing partner. My time I tell it. Me not do your face so. I tell it already. I just the truth. I never did like it like that. But no.
Well, alright, I just carry a back in a memory lane. I carry a back. I not say nothing in them, I just carry a little bit back in a memory lane.
Say them warrior. You say you now lose no war, no? Yes. Reach when they say pause. Rose did pause.
I carry a little back down in a memory lane. I not say nothing in them, I just say one thing. The plane coming from Mexico.
I'm
show you that the plane coming from Mexico.
I know where you're talking.
I don't blow it right there, sir.
What the fuck you showing me? Move. You're too enough.
So when you're dressing, I'm like, girl, this wasn't one way. So me alone did one here then.
Me do want you. You know see the plane from you never see your phone.
Come here, go like me alone did want you. I never me alone did want
Me
you.
want you. What?
Yeah. So we did want each other, and we have each other. So what you saying?
Nah, say nothing.
Well, the boy will never want look at us now. You know that video there? When you cook and the man say, remember when you never did want me?
I always
Look at
want
us
you.
now.
I always want you. We want job as say my man there have a moment.
Alright, Rosalie, man. That's a 40. You might go busy again. I go and sing a video one night.
Him a go him can't busy.
Jabba, so you say to my girl, my youth?
You know what I'm saying? I'm over here when I'm back so long. I'm telling them to come. I'm come out and add me, And I'm made in the box with him all long. I keep him company and big, You see that, Tan?
When was it come, my youth, the ball game go, my youth?
That's true. I'm go one side. Don't go and do nothing. See, but Rosalie, do not call me back. I'm not coming.
Jabba's go and buy your business. Me attack my man to end my life. I go about my business.
Alright, good girl. Do you do? Alright, boss, take
I go
care.
about my business.
Yo, go for the Jabba.
I talk to my man for leave. They come and disturb this far. So how was the day, boo boo? I say I eat fish, you couldn't give me some. I start your life, you know.
No, nothing wrong with that, man. A good cocky man get start, man. Watch you know?
What?
Good cocky man get start, man. I say, if a cocky never good, you would not do them something them. See, you know, your ball game go. But, you know, say I just stand there. And I just tell him, say, yo, Steve, I want fish, man.
You could have said him too and carry one go give my woman as your as your wife.
Yeah, like I'm there, I'm not eat nothing, baby. I never had pray that. They don't know anything for you, my girl.
So let me see a tattoo you have under my name now.
So, babes, you not see the tattoo?
No.
See it,
Yeah, I see the reinsurance every day. Yeah.
It's so heal up properly and so. Remember me a bleach, you know? So my tattoo take 2 times longer feel.
They look extra handsome today. Their lips them look extra nice tonight. You know?
Thank you, baby. I can't say the same about you though, because
Why?
every time I talk to you about a style upon live, you come do it. And I'm not even say it because you realize, I'm not tell you say when you're beautiful when I see it. Top come over here, so. I'm a serious. Top come over here, so.
Oh.
With bonnet and them sitting there by your head. Me not tell you that already.
Who that? Who wanna we do?
Who come to we?
Step aside now. Our next man come to take over a joker system. Come in, why you upon me? I want to sleep good tonight. A system. System don't do like that.
You need to stop that, my girl. I'm not laugh
I
with
pull up my take it off tomorrow. I braid me ear.
I not like it. You see when your ear turn so, and you turn like you're a mad woman not click no live. Cause you're not hungry. I'm serious. Ear nice, lipstick on, nice and cute, and I saw you click your live. No, I'm serious, I click your live. I'm serious like a judge. Brush up your ear and them thing then forward on. Different man you do it now, yeah? Make your money say I want to bust your slippers and can't bust your slippers. And the name Rose, Akim wife. You realize when, no, watch on a serious thing, you know. You realize when woman marry them start care themselves different.
So I do the borrow more bonnet, Akim?
No click no life with no bonnet for your head. You realize you know a married woman when you see married woman. Then just ever look like, you know, decent and sitting. Always groom and them thing there. Don't come over here, sir.
Yes, daddy.
That is it. Alright, my baby, I love you and later. I'm gonna jump.
Later.
Alright, princess.
Man, you're
People have not easy, you know. Thank you so much, my team. We came out and we executed well. We can't complain. We did ourselves good. Big up on yourself and whole heap of love. I'm really appreciate on the team. Big up.
Knock that country nigga out, you hear me?
Cause you pissed me the fuck
Oh,
off,
shit.
and I fucking did some shit earlier. You think I
Nah, I
forgot?
should switch your ass down, bitch.
Don't kill my shit. Don't kill her.
Should-
Don't
I
kill her.
should. You hear me?
Don't kill my shit, brother.
I'm sorry, girl. I didn't mean to hit you for real.
Shit, nigga. Wow,
I
fuck
did.
over y'all.
You did. I did.
Get out of my fucking
Man,
house.
chill, bruh.
Y'all, I'm so weak. I gotta go to the gym. I can't do this. I gotta go to the gym.
I pay the bills right